Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. In this particular session, I'm going to be telling you the starting point of your preparation and the plan for the next 12 months or 1 year in your preparation. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you who have started to prepare for CLAT from now itself, because every year I see students who start really late and very much struggle with the preparation because they have a lot of current affairs ka backlog to cover. They're not practiced enough in the last time, and as a result they choke in the exam, and despite being smart they're not able to do really well. So when you're starting now, you get enough time to become a part of this particular process. See, we have to understand this is a national level exam. So the amount of maturity and the amount of responsibility is a different level as compared to a normal school exam. You can't crack this exam by studying for like 2 to 5 days or 3 days. There is no specific book to study from, right? So there are certain things that you inculcate in yourself over a period of time by practicing, by understanding, by taking certain classes, and so on. And that is how you move about it. That is how you learn this entire drill. Okay. Now, in any entrance exam, starting point is the most difficult thing, because you may prepare for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but जब आपका starting point नहीं clear होएगा ना, you won't be able to understand as to which direction are you going into. So the starting point of any national exam preparation is to start with the previous year question. Okay. So we have CLAT 2020 as the first new pattern paper. उससे पहले pattern दूसरा होता था. Till CLAT 2025. So you have 6 papers with you. अगर आप एक normal Google search करोगे आपको सारे papers मिल जाएंगे, and you can start properly preparing from them. ठीक है, आप अच्छे से. अब आप बोलोगे कि सर how did we understand the past year paper? We are very new to CLAT. We have no idea how past year paper works or how do they look. See, I understand nobody knows CLAT as of now, but you know how to read English, right? So just read the English, the comprehension part of it, and see how much you can solve. So you will see variety of CLAT papers. For example, CLAT 2023 was slightly difficult. 24-25 was comparatively very easy. ठीक है, उससे पहले के जो papers they were again moderate to difficult as well. So you would understand that CLAT has a tendency of giving certain easy papers at times, certain difficult papers at times, certain vague papers at times as well. So you would brace yourself for that. Okay, so we will also be giving you those kind of mock tests moving forward, कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा कि अच्छा this is how this particular thing works. कि some mocks are difficult, some are easy, some are थोड़ा सा vague, and you will always be like कि सर थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है कि आंसर आपका गलत भी हो सकता है, बट वहीं हम आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि कैसे हमारा आंसर सही है एंड हाउ डू यू डील विद दोस काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, राइट? तो ये हो जाएगा आपका एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. व्हेन यू हैव रेड द पास्ट ईयर पेपर, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द 5 सेक्शंस, यू हैव आल्सो अंडरस्टूड कि भाई व्हाट आर द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट आर आस्क्ड इन ईच सेक्शन. टिल CLAT 2023 the number of questions in the exam used to be 150. For the last 2 years they have made it 120, which is good for us. But you also have to understand that CLAT is not just an exam जो कि आपको conceptually करना है और जाकर देना है. It is also a race against time. Those 120 questions are asked in the form of passages, and you have to solve those questions within 120 minutes. So you do not have a lot of time to waste. You have to do it quicker also. So you have to be good, you have to be efficient, but at the same time you have to be faster. So reading speed, reading comprehension, these are certain things that is very important to learn. And the primary source for that would be your newspaper. Now, which newspaper to read? There are only 2 newspapers that you should read. One is the Hindu and the Indian Express. इसमें से कोई भी एक. इन दोनों की headlines I send on my Telegram channel every day in the morning. You just read those headlines because newspaper every day has more than 100 headlines. You can't end up reading all of them. That would just waste your time. You just read those headlines and that would certainly help you कि भाई ठीक है, मतलब हमने इतना पढ़ लिया है आज के लिए, और धीरे धीरे करके आपको रियलाइज होगा कि आपकी पेपर में स्पीड बढ़ रही है, आपके मॉक्स में स्कोर्स काफी ज्यादा इंप्रूव हो रहे हैं. Now, when you are done, जब आपने 2-3 दिन जब लगातार पेपर पढ़ लिया है, make it a habit धीरे धीरे करके, side by side you'll also have to start your preparation with the subjects, with the concepts, with the basic practice as well. So for that we have brought a new batch for you which is called Shubh Aaramb Plus and Shubh Aaramb. तो अपनी प्रिपरेशन का शुभ आरंभ हमारे साथ कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली. इट्स द मोस्ट रिलायबल एंड मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल बैच. ठीक है, जो कुछ जो रिव्यूज हैं हमारे पुराने बैचेस की भी फॉर CLAT 25 आल्सो, दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग विद द हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी एजुकेटर. तो शुभ आरंभ प्लस जो है ना, दैट इज एन ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन हाइब्रिड बैच. तो उसमें जो मॉक्स और बुक्स हैं वो हम आपको घर पर भी भेजते हैं. वी ऑल्सो गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ मॉक टेस्ट ऑन आवर पोर्टल, जिसका आप PDF भी ले सकते हो या आप पोर्टल पर भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. एंड दैट इज हाउ यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड एज टू हाउ मच यू आर स्कोरिंग. So people who 120 के exam में when they start their preparation, they end up scoring 20, 25, 30 marks at the start, and it's completely fine. The toppers who have gotten a single digit or double digit rank in CLAT at one point in time were at your stage only. So you don't have to worry about that at all. धीरे धीरे करके आप बहुत improve करोगे, but you'll have to be patient about the preparation, because some students after 1 or 2 tests they come and tell me, sir, we don't want to do a third test because इतने कम number आते हैं that we feel so demoralized for 2 days. So it's completely fine. That is the part of the preparation. That is a drill that you have to part of the preparation here, right? You guys can surely become a part of these batches. Shubharam does not involve the offline offering, but it is all the online offering with the classes. We have something very interesting that we do that nobody else does for CLAT, which is called brainstorming with editorials. So newspaper has certain articles called editorials in the newspaper, right? तो editorials में से ना बहुत सारे questions आते हैं, as it is वो passages आते हैं वहाँ पे. तो हम लोग क्लास में क्या करते हैं कि we bring the editorial to class and we ask you questions based on that. तो लोगों को ना खुद को ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करना पड़ता है स्टूडेंट्स को. वी डोंट यू कुड से हमको फीड नहीं करते, वी डोंट स्पून फीड दैट टू यू. तो ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करने में बहुत मजा आता है. We also have something called the Shakuntala Scholarship. So we are a platform that is clearly bridging gap between the aspirants who are willing to work really, really hard but probably do not have the resources and national universities, right? We are not, you could say, हम वो coaching center नहीं है कि जिसकी लाख रुपए फीस है. That makes no sense, right? तो यहाँ पर we give you 100% refund of your fees if you get an all India rank under 300, and we'll be very happy to do that. That is basically to incentivize you, because see, 12 months बचे हैं, 11 months बचे हैं. Now when you start a preparation, you're already quite pumped कि I want to do it. But during the preparation, certain things do not go your way. You find certain obstacles. You feel a little dejected in the preparation. So this is basically an incentive to ensure that you keep going in the preparation and do it till the end. And that's a very, very important aspect, right? Once you are into the preparation, let's say 2 to 3 weeks into the preparation, 3 weeks बाद में you should also start doing mock test, which we will provide you as a part of these batches, right? आप हमारे ऐप को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. You can also visit 12minutestoclat.com. इन नंबर्स पर भी कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो. They will guide you with respect to everything. Okay? तो मॉक टेस्ट अब आप बोलोगे कि सर मॉक टेस्ट कैसे करें, अभी तो इतना आता नहीं है, 3 हफ्ते में हम कितना ही सीख जाएंगे. बट सी, दिस इज अगेन, as I told you, is not a school exam. This is a national level exam and this exam is aptitude based. तो आप चाहे कितना भी पढ़ लो, आप दिन में अगर 10 घंटे भी पढ़ लोगे ना, इफ यू डोंट डू द मॉक टेस्ट, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू वेल इन दिस एग्जाम. तो इसीलिए फ्रॉम 3rd week onward we start doing our mock test. Even if we get a low score, we start with something, we understand the basics. Okay, this is how it is solved, and धीरे धीरे करके within 4 to 5 months only you will realize that you improved immensely, and then we'll reach to a point wherein we genuinely want to be there for the CLAT exam also, right? So by the end of the preparation, we will target doing at least 60 to 70 mock. उससे कम करने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. The Shubharam Plus batch will have 100 mocks. ठीक है, हम लोग 40 mocks आपको घर पे भेजेंगे. हम आपको अलग अलग टाइम पर भी भेजेंगे, 20-20 करके भेजेंगे, ताकि उसका करंट अफेयर भी ना पुराना हो, है ना. तो आप प्रॉपर OMR वाला आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. विल सेंड यू दी OMRs as well, and that will make your life a lot simpler, because आपको एकदम CLAT एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा and you will genuinely be able to, आपको CLAT में से आउट ऑफ द प्लेस लगेगा कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, तो मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया. बिकॉज OMR फिलिंग ऑल्सो टेक्स टाइम. इट टेक्स अबाउट 5 minutes. कभी कभी OMR गलत भी भर दिया जाता है कि 57 क्वेश्चन का 58 में भर दिया, तो लगातार लाइन सारे क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाते हैं, and they do not give you an extra OMR seat. So you have to, you could say, kind of work थोड़ा सा on that. So this is going to be the starting part of the preparation. धीरे धीरे करके हम लोग बहुत current affairs की classes करते हैं. We also give you a monthly current affair compendium to revise. We do all the classes, all the practice classes and everything. So you guys can surely become a part of this particular batch, which would certainly guide you for everything and anything you required for the CLAT 2026 exam, which is going to happen in December 2025. ठीक है. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट होता है, मैंने आपको बताया नंबर्स पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा यू कैन ऑल्सो mention anything in the comment if you have any doubt, or I was not able to take that in this particular session. We'll be very happy to take it and answer it from those doubt tab, or I mean the comment tab as well. So as I already told you that becoming a part of this preparation is very crucial, and I'm really happy that you guys are making that effort to become a part of this preparation now. Do not take a step back. Keep preparing really hard, and this could genuinely be your year. I will come with a lot of other sessions because I know a lot of insecurities people have. Sir, नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, या फिर how do we manage it with school? These are, sir, you could say, certain insecurities that we have. You can always follow 12 minutes to CLAT, and we'll be guiding you for literally everything you require for this exam. Thank you so much, guys, again for being a part of this. I'll see you very soon, and keep preparing really hard. Shubharam to all of you.